Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn EVS and our topic name is Home Remedies for the Simple Illness. Students, remedies means treatment. Home remedies. If an illness is one that gets cured readily, one can try a home remedy. Do you remember, students? Saku's mother made her gargle her throat with warm water and Saku felt better in a day or two. So, giving her warm water is a home remedy for sore throat. Elderly or experienced people in the family sometimes suggest such cures. Students, for example, if we have a cold, we can inhale steam at bedtime or take hot fomentations on the chest. If someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, they should be given a cool lemon sharbat and something light to eat. If someone has a cut, bruise or a small wound, it should be washed with clean water and dabbed dry. A tincture of iodine may be applied to it. Then it should be covered with clean cotton and bandaged. But students, remember, even if an illness appears to be minor, it should never be neglected. Home remedies have limits. If a person does not recover in a day or two, or if the illness worsens, one must go to a doctor. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take an medicine that must be swallowed. So let us check what you understand. Given below are the names of some diseases and illness. Cold, chikungunya, malaria, bruising, stomach upset, typhoid, crossed fingers, sprained ankle. Student, you have to classify these diseases and illness into which get cured quickly and which do not cure quickly. Now, let us check your answer. Cold, bruising, stomach upset, sprained ankle, crossed fingers are illness that get cured quickly. Chikungunya, malaria, typhoid are the diseases do not get cured quickly. For these diseases, we should visit to the doctor. So what we have learned in this chapter, students? We learned some illnesses are cured quickly, but there are some that do not cure easily. Minor illnesses can be cured with home remedies. Experienced elderly people in the family know of such home remedies. For a cold, one can inhale steam or take hot fermentation. A lemon sharbat is good for someone who is vomiting. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take any medicine that must be swallowed.